Hello guys, good morning to all the members of MMM Global Philippines. By the way, my name is Randy Speña and I am one of the member of MMM Global from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And I joined MMM Global last May 24, 2015 in the amount of 2,500. And last June 10, 2015, I joined in their mining program in the amount of 10,000. And last June 15, 2015, I received 11,000 with my Get Help, and I received it in my BTC account. And MMM Global really pays all their participants or all their members. And I also want to thank our founder, Mr. Sergio Magrodi, and long live MMM. Together we can change the world. Thank you and God bless.